The 940 has been real popular the past couple weeks. It's the second one I've sharpened. I haven't even sharpened my own. Two guys I work with, both of them have 940-1s, and they wanted them sharpened. This one came out extremely well. Love this. I mean, it came out very nice. I could almost go back there and swap this one out for mine. Came out real nice. Did 20 degrees per side. When I got it from the guy, you could tell he used it. He's used the crap out of it. He's talking about skinning deer with it and stuff. But I cleaned it up. Got the action flowing real nice. Watch this thing just fall shut. It's crazy. Real smooth. He had kind of used it as a pry bar. You can see it a little bit there at the top of the tip. I straightened it out the best I could. I didn't want to, I mean, it is S90V, but I still didn't want to break the tip. And dogs are up. But I didn't want to break the tip trying to straighten it out. So I didn't force the issue. Yeah, it came out pretty good. The centering was terrible, so I kind of straightened it out a little bit and got it looking pretty nice. Yeah, looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that. And it is razor sharp. All on the wicked edge. Late on a Friday night, early Saturday morning. Yeah, came out pretty good. But charged the guy a 12-pack of beer to do it. Drank almost a 12-pack while I was doing it. But yep. Hopefully I didn't give you guys too much motion sickness. Hopefully you had some Dramamine on board or whatever. But just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Later.